Hello everyone, welcome to day 4 our 7-day English speaking challenge. So today I am here to say something about interesting. So today is the 4th day of our 7-day English challenge. So all of you know about that. Yesterday I upload one video, you can check that one. That is a very interesting, and today's video also very interesting. We can learn something from this video. If you like the video, please subscribe. So 5 common English mistakes learners make. So how to fix them I will explain with you, and you have to watch till the end, then you can benefit from this video, and you know what is the 5 common mistakes learners make mistake while speaking their English. 5 common mistakes learner make mistake. So these are the very simple and these are very easy, but yeah, sometimes learners don't focus on that mistakes. So if we focus on that mistakes, so our English will improve. And so how to overcome from these mistakes? Mistakes are very simple, but if we fix it in our mind, then our English fluency will become more effective and more easier and more understandable. So okay, so 5 mistakes I will discuss in this video. So without skip, you can watch till the end, then you will get benefit. So these are the common mistakes. First common mistake mostly learner do, that is sometime we can say he do, she do. Yes, that is a very common mistake. Yes, whenever we say he don't like coffee, she don't like coffee, so that is the wrong sentence. That is the wrong. Yes, that is a simple mistake. So in this way we can say he does not like tea, she does not like coffee. These sentences are right. Okay, we can say for he or she or it does not. He does not like coffee, she does not like tea. Yes, this is our first mix. So keep in your mind, whenever you say he don't, that time you say he does not. Yes, our second common mistakes mostly learner do. So sometime I also did before that. I agree with you. This is right, but mostly say I am agree with you. Yes, this sentence is wrong. I am agree with you. Instead we can say I agree with you. Yes, I agree with you. Don't say I am agree with you. Okay, understood? Now our third simple mistakes and very common mistakes, everyone, mostly not everyone, who are in a beginner, who don't know about how to make the sentences, that time they also do this simple type of these silly mistakes. Yes, that third one is let's discuss about the topic. So there is no need discuss about. We can say let's discuss the topic. Yes, there is no need let's discuss about the topic. We can say easily let's discuss the topic. Yes, after discuss don't use about. This one our simple and common mistakes learners do while speaking. Okay, now our fourth one is, I think you are enjoying this video. If you are enjoying, please like and comment where did you mistakes. Now our fourth and important silly mistakes are mostly learner do, that is I did not went. I did not went. I did not went means I did not went. Went also past and did not also past. So instead of went we can say I did not go. I did not want to go. Okay, I did not want to went is wrong. Okay, that is a mistake. We mostly make these types of silly mistakes, yes, while speaking our English. I did not went to school yesterday. This sentence is wrong. Yes, because I make mistake where I did not went is wrong. I did not go to school yesterday. This sentence is right. Okay, so did not, then past tense again went is incorrect. Understood? Clear? I think everyone understand. Okay, now our last one, fifth one is time confusing. Your and you are. Yes, both are different. Your and you are. Now, sometime we make mistakes. You're going to win. No, you are going to win. You're going to win is mistake. Yes, you are going to win is the right sentence. Okay, I think everyone understand. And now it's your turn. You have to write down in comment box which type of mistakes you did before that. Okay, so friends, if you avoid these types of common mistakes, so you will be more clearer and more confident in your speaking. So avoid these types of silly mistakes, simple mistakes. Yes, so tomorrow we will discuss on another topic. Now it's your time. You give thumbs to my video and write down comment, because your comment is valuable for me. Okay, bye. Keep signing, keep learning.